We do have a few tickets left for the Business Breakthrough in November 18th and 19th, West Palm Beach, Florida. Don't you think that's a good idea?
I think we should write the trip
Florida
off, too.
in November?
Yeah, what a deal.
Oh my gosh. Do you remember this? Set a goal, make a commitment, do the basics, and when you set that goal, do the 5 whys. What's behind it? Your purpose. What really drives you? What's at the bottom of your motivation to really go out and earn the income that'll support the lifestyle that you want? Well, that's what we get at right at the beginning of the Business Breakthrough. And then we take it to the next step, which is?
Well, it's interaction. You know, what is going to hold me back from hitting my goal? I always think of one of our wonderful students who's come to every single year Business Breakthrough in November or December or January or whenever it was held. And he always says, you know, I could stay home and work on my business plan, but when I come here, I've set the time aside. I get interaction with like-minded people who give me advice, and my outcome is different than if I were to stay home doing my little business plan. I think the best part is you can write it off. Bring your kids down, bring your spouse down. You go to class 2 full days to plan your 2025 business plan, Wickman style. But then take some time off, whether it's before or after the 2 days, and join us for the Business Breakthrough.
You've heard this before from one of our platforms, that if you work with your hands, you're a laborer. If you work with your hands and your head, you're a craftsman. But if you work with your hands and your head and your heart, then you're a master. And that's what we're getting together to create. Master salespeople who have a business plan that they follow, who create a business that works even when they're not working. That's what we really want for you. It's so simple. You know, hard work doesn't make you rich alone. And neither does hard work and smart work. It's getting inspired. And there's only one way that inspiration happens, and that's when you put your heads together with like-minded people. That's where you get the inspiration. You gotta leave home to find that. So that's why we're going to Florida.
And your business is worth leaving home for. So imagine the people that you will meet there. People that have come over and over again, that are coming to give because they know when they give what they have, they'll receive what they need. What is it that you need? Are you missing systems? Are you not as automated as you need to be? How's the status of your book of business? Are you having 40 people give you referred leads every single year? Some of them more than one lead. So you don't have to buy leads if people are calling you saying, hey, my sister wants to sell her house, can you take care of her? That's what this is about. Having you develop a plan for you, customized to you, that fills in the gaps that maybe in 2023 and 2024 were revealed. What systems are broken? Which ones need to be shored up? What's the status of your book of business? This is where you get answers to the challenges you've been faced with over the last year.
A business plan is not a magic trick. It's not something that's like a rabbit you're pulling out of a hat. It's scientific. And we've been doing this for so many years now that we'll let us guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a plan that you'll be excited about following,
right,
and that you'll be motivated to follow,
right,
and that you'll have a whole circle of supporters and encouragers to help you stay on track for the whole year.
And that's how you're going to get to the next level in 2025. So join us. We do really have limited seating, and we really are maybe, I don't know, 75% full. So don't wait. Take steps now. And by the way, it's going to be season and prices will go up. So the sooner you do, the less expensive it's going to cost you to get down there. So come and join us.